we are here again to make a report to you of what government has done and what government intends to do and what government wants to do, including the citizens in the coming elections just around the corner, about a week from now. Still, we are in the COVID-19. Complacency is really would be the enemy of itong in the matter of preventing again or allowing the COVID-19 to come back. Sa bagay, not would be as serious as like before because bakunado na tayo, at least tayong lahat.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.